dugsiga boardingka iyo maalinlaha ah ee Amano Boarding and Day School.
Everybody, how are you doing at your home? I hope you are safe. My name is Paul. It's time for maths, grade 2, as you can see on the board. I'm holding something on my hand. I hope you have it at your homes or you have ever seen it, because it has some pages and I can see it has months. There is January there, there is February, there is March, March is there, April. They are going all the way up to December. They are going all the way up to December this month. So if we count these months from January up to December, we find they are 12 months. So if you have such a calendar at your home, try to count those months you see from January to December. Now let's go to our topic today. Our topic is about time, and our subtopic is about months of the year. As you know very well that the months of the year, they are 12 months in 1 year. So let's check our next part. There are 12 months in 1 year. There are 12 months in 1 year. As you can see there, months of the year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. This one is the first month, and this is the last month. The first month is January, and the last month is December. So we have to know the sequence of these months of the year, which month follows another one, because if we mix them, then we shall get lost. Like right now, we are in the month of April. That is the 4th month. The next part is we have the first month of the year. We shall use that calendar to answer these questions. The first month of the year is January, as we read on that calendar. The first month is January, as we read in that calendar. The last month, as I told you, it is December. Again, that one I explained to you. Which month comes before July? So if we have the months here: January, February, March, April, May, June. I stop there, I go there. So the month before July, July here, June, July, July is here. So the month before July, it is June. That is, we go one step back, we find it's June, and that's how I found June there. Now fill in the gaps. We have January, we have March, dash, and May. So if we have January, February, March, April, May. So the one that they are asking there, it's this one that is missing there. So here I'll say it's called April. I'll write in short form. The next part is August dash October. So we read July, we go to August, September, October. So they're asking, we fill that gap. I can see we have August, dash, this is the dash, September, and then October. So the month that's missing there, it is September. In short form, we write S-P-S-E, then P. Okay, let's go to the next part. Fill in the missing letters. We have these months. July. So the one that is missing there, it is letter U to make this month July. Okay. Next one is that one that you can see there, starting with the M-R-C-H. So I'll come here. Because we had January, February, March. March is the one that is there. I can see M, okay. I can see a dash, that is A. This is the one that I'm supposed to fill in here to call that month March. Then I go to the next one. I have it here. The second month of the year is called, we said we have January. This is first. February. This is second. The second that they are asking here, it is this side, that is February. We write it in short form as F-E-B. Fill in the gaps. October dash December. So October, November, then December. So the month that we are missing there, it is November. April dash June. So we have here April dash it is May. So here we call it here this is called May. The month after December, we started from January, then we went all the way. We said January is the first one and December is the last one. January is the first one and December is the last one. So how can we know the month that comes after December? That is when we reach at December. That is December. We come back to January. So the month that is after December, it is January. The month before May, let me check, May it's here. Before means I go back one step. I'll find it is April. So I'll write it in short form. That's called April. Fill in the gaps that we are given there. January, but there is something there that is missing. So January, I can write it this way. January. J is there. A is there. N, U, A is missing. So I'll fill here with A. October. We have here October. I have O, C, T, O, B, E. Letter E is missing. Then we call it October. Letter E is missing, we call it October. So here it's letter E. Then lastly we have March. March, I think we had it here. That is M. March. So we have M, letter A. So I'll fill in here with letter A. Then I call it March. Okay, let's check this exercise that we have here, that you are going to try to do it by yourself. Write all the months of the year. Write all the months of the year, starting from January write for you the first one, January, all the way up to December. Once you write that, you write the numbers too. January as the first one, February, March, like that, all the way up to December, and that one to be your exercise that you'll do at home. So try to do that exercise, then we shall continue from there in the next lesson. Thank you so much for today's lesson. We shall meet next lesson.